Hey guys, it's Mo from AutoCraze. Today we're going to show you a day in the life at AutoCraze. We've got builds, customers, talking to the sales team, dispatch, and anything can happen. We're going to show you today how it's done. Let's go guys. First up, we've got this MP300. It's getting a Dobson 2-inch lift, some KMC wheels, and some Achilles MTs. So guys, the MP300 black with the turbine's finally done. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be bringing the white one in. PDW Rampage is a 20-inch. Also, it's going to be getting some flares on it with the bolt-on flares. We're also going to be getting some light covers, the weather shields. This is the white MP300. These are the boys from Hyper Tint. We've got shout out to Robbie, Troy, Gabby, Tommy, and all the boys. Gonna be tinting this MP300 just front, just to give it that final finishing touches, and then it's good to go.
Beautiful boys.
That's it.
DJ up front, right now, please, right now.
The best part about being part of AutoCraze, we don't know what's going to rock up, we don't know what's coming in, but we can guarantee you 110% that we can do it. This is a brand new XLT F150 Ford. Over here, we're getting it done. It's going to get some set of wheels and tyres. It's going to get the 20-inch fuel vapors. We've already spoken to fuel, they're on their way. It's going to be wrapped with some BFGs and the 305/55. Come through. It's not always about forward drives. The next one we've got up is beat up Squirrel getting a set of TSWs, 19-inch to finish this white one off.
Hey guys, it's Junior here from AutoCraze. Just to give you a bit of insight about what we do at the back here. We don't just do in-store fittings and accessories and all that sort of stuff. We also dispatch wheels, tyres, for all makes and models. Now some makes and models come with sensors. We also sell those at an additional cost. Along with wheels, tyres, we dispatch rims by themselves and tyres individually as well. Plus accessories. So we cater for all things four-wheel drive at the moment, and that range is expanding. So we've got some flares ready to send out, light trims, bonnet protectors, runner, LED light trims, etc. A good example of our dispatch, we've got some Rhino LED light trims here to be sent out for a Ford Ranger customer up in Queensland. Double taped, fragile taped as well, wrap, trim proper. So this is going to go to Brad in Queensland. Let us know how you go with them. Send us some photos once you've got them on the car. Along with accessories, we are the biggest distributors of fuel wheel in the country. Fuel wheels, body form, KMC, American Racing, the lot. Before you bounce, let's have a look at the boys doing dispatch.
wrap. It was just another day at AutoCraze. All the jobs are finally completed. All the customers got their cars. I'm glad the customers are happy. We're happy. My team's happy. We're all over the moon. Everything's been done. Everything's been finished. We've went through the whole thing. We've showed you the before and after, the during process, and what it takes to keep this business running and keep AutoCraze the way it is. You've seen our dispatch, guys. We dispatch everything, wheels, tyres, accessories and everything. You've also seen our interaction with customers. You also see what the boys do behind the scenes. You've also seen our workshop, guys. Our workshop guys are the most valuable guys here because they're the ones that put in the hard yards. They're the ones that are the artists. We're just the people that supply the paint. I want to thank everyone. Most importantly, I want to thank our customers that bring their cars in, trust us with their work, and want us to improve and be as big as possible. We are getting there, guys. We're doing everything we can to try and keep all our customers happy and try and deliver anything with whatever we can do. Most importantly, our suppliers. Thank you so much, TSW. Thank you to Fuel Wheels. Thank you to KFC. Thank you to everyone that helps us out. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this was a day in the life of AutoCraze. Bounce. Most important thing in our workshop is good music. Jay?